बिल्कुल ज़सास बहास में उस लास्ट कशीर गोमत and after that आज ओस को वापस कशीर hats off guys you nailed it
very different world.
No, it's not different. I've been in Kashmir.
You have been in Kashmir, great.
I know a lot about India, and so I also understood the problem and.
Okay. Well, you got the sentiment of the movie. That's very good. Yeah. There's a lost hope.
Yeah. No.
Okay. You want to say something?
I fully agree with what Malak said.
Perfect answer.
Is well known to us.
Okay.
I liked it. It was very interesting, and the actors were first class.
Thank you.
And the story at the end.
At the end. It's a story of every.
No, also the idea that he was writing his letters all his whole life, and then to
distributing every neighbors and friends.
This was a very good story.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thanks for
We
coming.
gave a face to whatever my parents used to talk about when they left Kashmir, and it's a good remembrance of all that they feel.
Yeah, so likewise the same. My grandparents used to always tell that we had this house, and I never used to, I couldn't relate when I was a kid, but when I went to Kashmir and I saw everything, so I was very nostalgic, and this movie was totally relatable to some youngsters. Might not relate, but yes, when you put yourself in your parents or your grandparents' shoes, you definitely get very nostalgic and very relatable, and I hope every younger generation carries the culture forward, which is very important.
How did you like the movie, Sandeep ji and Gunjan?
For me, it was really nostalgic. I felt like I was back at my grandparents' house in Kashmir.
नहीं बहुत अच्छी मूवी थी कुछ टाइम तो मुझे लगा कि मैं वापस कश्मीर में हूँ इट वॉज रियली वेरी नाइस मूवी
Thank you very much. We just asked one question, okay?
Namaste. I'm from Kerala, and this movie is superb. And I congratulate each member and crews of this movie, and for arranging this much a good family movie with histories, and let us combinedly take back the taste of that coffee or tea.
It was very impressive to see. I'm very happy that the screening could happen here in Munich, and I think it's so precious for the generations. Like all the generations should watch it together to get the sentiment of Kashmir and Kashmiri culture. Very touching. Thank you.